Hi friend, subscribe and share my YouTube channel all about quantity. Today I will teach how to calculate the footing steel. So I am taking this tank. So you will check here. This is the footing name, column name and the column weight. And then coming to the schedule of footing, first of the type of footing, a type of name of the footing, then length, breadth, and height of footing, and x direction and y direction steel is called isolated footing. Now coming to Excel file, and here I will show you the input position. Just you will input value in here, length, breadth, and height of footing, and the number of footing in here and villa, and then X sections and Y section the die of bar, and center to center distance between two bar and concrete cover. Then they automatically calculate the number of bar length and weight, and they found the weight of steel of this footing is coming out of ton, and if your box is two more than one, so you will just changing this and they automatically change. Here also found the concrete PCC of this footing and RCC for this footing, how many concrete is needed, so they also calculated here. So you must be needed input value, we needed just one box. And now coming to this tank and we put this value. So check the length, breadth and height of this footing, but this footing steel is 12 mm. So we taking this detail and foot and here. So you check the length is 1.2 and breadth 1 meter, height is okay. Just we will changing the die of bar is 12 mm. So you will also watch and here your steel weight is changed for the 12 mm. So this steel is coming on your one box. If you have more box, same box in this villa, so you will changing the number of box value, and this Excel sheet I will provide on the descriptions, so you will check the link and download this Excel sheet.